In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to block someone on Microsoft Teams. Whether you're trying to manage your contacts more effectively or simply need a break from unwanted conversations, knowing how to block someone can be really useful. So let's dive right in and walk through the process step by step to ensure you have all the tools you need at your disposal. First and foremost, you'll want to begin by signing into Microsoft Teams. Open your preferred web browser and head over to the Microsoft Teams website. If you're prompted, enter your login credentials to access your account. Signing in is crucial as it ensures you're making changes within your own environment rather than a guest area, which can sometimes lead to confusion. Now that you're signed in, the next step is to locate the person you'd like to block. This could be someone in your chat list or a contact you've interacted with before. Navigate through your contacts, and once you find the person, you'll need to hover your mouse over their name. This action will reveal a set of options represented by three little dots, commonly known as the More Options menu. It's a small but powerful tool that provides additional functionalities beyond the standard interface. After clicking on this More Options button, a drop-down menu will appear. You'll see several actions you can take regarding this contact. Here, you're specifically looking for the Block option. Click on it, and this will initiate the process to prevent the selected contact from messaging you on Teams. Blocking someone can help maintain your privacy and focus, especially in a busy work environment where distractions are common. It's important to note that blocking someone on Microsoft Teams is not a permanent action. Should your situation change and you decide to reconnect with this contact, you can easily reverse this action. Simply find the person in your blocked contacts list, access the More Options menu again, and select Unblock. This flexibility ensures you can control your communication effectively, responding to your changing needs. Remember, using this blocking feature doesn't notify the other person. It solely alters your interaction, making it a discrete tool for managing digital communication. This approach helps in situations where you might feel overwhelmed or need a bit of privacy without causing any unnecessary confrontations. So there you have it, a simple yet comprehensive guide to blocking someone on Microsoft Teams. With these steps, you can take full advantage of Microsoft Teams privacy tools and ensure your interactions are as controlled and comfortable as possible. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tips and tutorials.